Ahoy, friends! Did you know that when Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone, he suggested we answer it by saying, ahoy! But Thomas Edison said hello, and that became more popular. But that's still a pretty cool story. I still like to pull out ahoy sometimes.
Well, Chandler, that is a fun fact. Thank you for sharing. Do you have any more fun facts?
I do. Did you know that when you sneeze, your droplets can travel out of your mouth at nearly 100 miles per hour? And they can go as far as 27 feet.
Really?
Yes. Check out this picture of a guy sneezing. Beware, it's kind of a lot. Oh my goodness, that is a lot. I know.
You know, this really makes my mask seem even more important.
My thoughts exactly. I know, friends, that you may be tired of wearing your mask. You may be tired of your teacher reminding you to pull it up over your nose. But your mask makes a huge difference. Check out this video that shows people sneezing with no masks and with masks.
So you can see the guy in the top left doesn't have a mask. Everybody else does. Now look at that. Look at how much stuff is coming out of his mouth and how much less is coming out of the other three mouths. Yeah, those masks are certainly important. Oh, the droplets. Oh my goodness.
Wow, Chandler, that is a really cool look at what researchers and scientists are doing to help us learn more and more and more about our bodies and how we can keep everyone safe right now. You know, what you said is really true, that what we are doing with our masks is making a huge difference. When I see you guys in the hallways and in your classrooms wearing your mask, I think, look at those kids being so empathetic. They are doing this thing that's maybe kind of uncomfortable for them, or annoying at least. They are doing it because they know, or, well, maybe you're just doing it because your teacher told you to. But when you're doing it, I know that you are helping keep each other safe. You are helping keep my family at home safe, and the families of all of your classmates safe. That's pretty special.
And when I see people in masks, I think they are so determined to keep learning and working, even with this new distraction on your literal, actual face. But you're still working so hard.
Yes, and you are involved in helping all of us prevent the spread of COVID and like regular colds and flus and germs, and keep everyone at school safe. And this makes such a big difference. You are helping us make sure we can keep our school open and learn in person as long as possible, hopefully all year. And you are keeping each other safe. You are truly changing the world with your mask every single day. And I hope that when you put your mask on in the morning and you put it back on after lunch, that rather than just thinking, oh, here we go again, you can remind yourself, this is great. I am changing the world.
Keep it up, you world changers. We are so proud of you.